These are all our heifers, weanling about 8 or 9 months to about 18 months. Hi, girls. Hey. Hey there. Hi. We'll go over here and see what's going on here.
Video?
Yeah.
One of the things you have to do as a farmer is adapt and improvise. So usually I've been feeding round bales here, and that's a lot easier. You cut it and it drops in. We overbought some square bales last year, so I got to get them used up. And so I'm adapting and improvising.
You're putting a square peg in a round hole.
That's basically what's happening. So sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. Let's see which one we got now. The challenge is to try to keep the plastic from getting underneath the hay. And the string to be able to come out. So let's see what we can do. They do make a $10,000 machine to do this. But since we're only going to do it for a couple weeks, it's not really worth it. Find another. Let's see.
Hello, dear.
Make sure no heads are in there when you do something like this.
Cow heads or human heads?
Both. Hopefully I got lucky that time. The strings were on the side, and I think I'm going to be able to pull them all out.
What is this stuff you're feeding?
What's that?
What is this you're feeding them right now?
We have a farmer that is all organic. So when he rents new fields or he's transitioning fields, he grows non-GMO, non-chemical, biologically grown hay. And so we've been able to buy his non-organic hay from him. Helps him out, helps us out. This would be a new seeding. Everything we get from him is probably at least in the first 3 years of seeding, so this is probably maybe the second year of seeding. Alfalfa, clover, grasses mix, and then it's baled wet and wrapped wet, so it ferments a little bit before the cows put it in their fermenter. So it's got a starter in it.
Prebiotic?
Prebiotic starter. Okay, see what happens here as I back out.
Okay.
Not too bad for a 65-year-old guy, huh?